So you want to know how to record using your phone. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what I do to create my YouTube videos only using my phone, which I'm doing right now. So let's tune right on in. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lashawnda, of course, and you are tuned in to another video that I'm making for you guys. Okay, so if you like this video, if this video was helpful, make sure you don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated when I create new videos. Okay, so I know you guys came here because you want to know how to record videos from your phone. Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you just that. And it's very simple. I want to start off by saying that you do not need an iPhone to record videos from your phone to get good quality. Okay, and if you believe that this video was good quality, then put it in the comment section that this video was good quality. Okay, because this is on a Samsung phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy A50. It was about $300 when I bought it. And I feel like the quality is bomb. I started recording with my phone because it has auto zoom and I feel that the quality is there. And I also have a T3i Rebel that I've had for years, and I stopped recording with that because it's just too technical. It doesn't have autofocus, so when I'm moving or if I get up, it doesn't focus on you, and I ain't got time for that. And I also like to see myself when I'm recording, so it's just more convenient for me to record using my phone. So I'm gonna, before I show you my actual setup, I'm gonna show you what I use to record with my phone. So let me just take this off here. Okay, so you probably won't be able to tell from this, but it's actually pretty dark in my room, and you can't really tell on my other camera because the video quality on my phone camera is so much better. But I'm using this for the sake of showing you how I do this part. So this is my actual setup. So I have my desk on. See, this is why I don't use this camera like that, because you gotta, and I have my ring light right here, and that's pretty much it, guys. I record it like that, and it shows really good quality video just from having a ring light and having a good quality phone. So yeah, that's it. That's how you record using your phone. I know it's pretty simple, but it's really easy to do it. And once you have a good setup, especially, I think the ring light is what really helps bring out the quality of your video as well, because you can see, let me see if I can focus in so you can actually see the video on here. Okay, so you can see, let me try to move over the quality right here. I wonder if I can, no, I can't sit you down. So I'm going to actually use this and turn the camera, the ring light off, so you can see the difference. And it's not a big difference, like, I don't know if you could tell the difference, but this one is because it's really bright like right now. But like I said, my room is actually really dark. But the good thing about using your phone, it auto focuses and it auto adjusts your lighting. And so instead of me using my DSLR, hold on, I find that this is a lot more. You see how I have to keep focusing my DSLR camera as I'm making this video, and I'm leaving this in intentionally so you can see why I'm using my phone to record instead of this DSLR camera. So when I turn it back on, it's going to automatically adjust, and it's going to bring out the look of my, let's see, it's going to bring out the look of my skin tone and everything. And as you see, like the DSLR, you know, you have to keep making adjustments, and you see it doesn't receive the lighting well at all. Like, it just messes it up until you like try to focus, and then it goes back. So let's turn back around. So that's personally why I have been using my phone to record versus anything else. Alright, so that's the video I have for you guys, how how to create your videos using your phone. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. So if you're here to the end, thank you. You're the real MVP. Make sure you drop a like below. Put a comment below if you would like for me to do any other videos on how to edit my videos from using my camera phone. Anything that you may have questions in reference to uploading on YouTube, let me know, because I'm definitely using my phone to upload all of my videos for right now. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload future videos. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!